Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. If you have already seen me in this makeup and shirt, it is 3 a.m. I'm trying to get boxes out. Please disregard. I had already started taping this video. The camera died, so we're gonna restart it. So the only thing I opened up, which you're gonna see, is the first thing. Just in case you guys don't know, we're here for BOXYCHARM, as it says in the title. We are going to open it up, and the theme is drop everything. The theme is drop everything in your lap in the middle of the taping. Okay. The theme is a glam-intine, like Valentine, Glamantine. Valentine's Day look works, even though it is hanging on by a thread. So the first thing that I pulled out of my box was this, and it is the Ace Beauté Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. Now, if you guys will be able to see and stick, this is having a hard time, guys. This is what it looks like, glowy, and these are what the colors look like. I was back and forth whether I wanted to keep this, decided I'm going to keep it, and did swatch 3 of the shades. So I swatched this gold shade down here. I swatched this silvery, I'm sorry, it's this one. It's like an iridescent purple, blue, white color right here, and then this gold right here. So double golds and this color over here. I don't know why that's pulling slightly gold. Oh, because it is. This one down here, this one, and this one. So if you haven't watched my other video and like seen my nails, I get it, there were like black stuff underneath of it. I had to spray the top of my head because I have red hair and I need a touch up in my dark. So I put my nails in my head, and now here they are, and they're already short enough. So yeah, that's where we are, guys. So they're not dirty, they literally are stained. So these are the colors. They're absolutely beautiful. And I did say prior, it's probably not going to be connected to this one, obviously, that the shimmers really looks like they're glittery. I don't know if they're going to be able to go on in a nice, like, natural moving with the light, like the more or less this one is. I mean, I can try it on. Let's just try it on and find out, huh? So we're just going to pick up something a little bit more natural to what I'm doing right now. Let's stick with the center one right here, this gold. And we've dabbed it a couple times, and you can see it immediately go on. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely going to be a beaming natural, and I do feel like it just picked up texture, and I don't have too much texture on my skin, to be honest. Now that one may be worn down a little bit lighter, is really pretty actually. So yeah, I think this is a great highlighter palette. That's the word I'm looking for. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. I'm sorry. So we're going to go on to our next thing. Oh, I'm sorry if I did not say this is $40. $40 highlighter palette. Don't know how I feel about that, but love the company Ace Beauté. So the next thing I see in here is Team Blends Green Tea Detoxifying Mask. Is this it? Okay, so this is Teamy. Didn't they used to have like drinks and stuff? So this is the Teamy. So it says a green tea detox. It's mineral rich mask that is a must-have for your skincare routine, blah, 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 blah. Matcha green tea, lemongrass, Benetton clay, naturally detoxifies mask formulated to rid pores of impurities while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood nutrients. So is it for dry skin? Is it for combination skin? Okay, so it just tells you how to use it on here. It doesn't say what kind of skin it is. For people who have dry skin, you'll know that a lot of times masks like this are very drying to the skin, so I'm a little bit nervous about that. We'll do some more looking into this. Maybe we'll have a mask day and talk about it. So this is $29. Kidoki. $29. I believe they do have some like nicer skincare though, so I'll let it be. So this is interesting. The next thing I see in here, I'm actually not supposed to get because I don't get lashes. I'm not supposed to get lashes. I have it checked off that I don't want them because I can't use them. I'd really love to be able to try, so maybe I'll just try use them. And I don't know, I've been thinking about it. I can put on the magnetic ones, but I really can't put on anything else but the magnetic ones. If you guys have any tips, feel free to leave them down below. I would love that. I don't know why I just can't get it, but I've always wanted one with like a clear like adhesive, so maybe I'll try it. These are $54. Let's take a look, guys. Yeah, pretty lash band, pretty lashes, the thing to put the lashes on, like almost a tweezer. I have one of them, not necessary. And then the lash adhesive. These better be the best lashes ever for $50. Oh no. They're 3D mink eyelashes. I get it. No judge to anybody that wears mink eyelashes, but as someone who was vegetarian for a while and only eats meat when the need for my iron is, and I'm not finding ways that it's working other than that, I pretty much never do. That is not something that I want. And again, no judgment to anybody that does. Do you? But I think it's kind of weird that one should be a question if you're cruelty free, and two should be like in the survey that I said I don't want lashes. So kind of annoyed about this. And the other thing about it is, like, I understand like mink is supposed to be like not be harmful, but there's zero way that's not harmful. I don't know if people think that like a bunch of minks are spread out over yards of area that they can run around free, and like they're just dropping hairs for it on the ground and people are running around. I don't know, but that's not to me how it works, and to me that's not like animal okay. But again, if I'm not being mean to anybody, I'm just saying it's not for me, and I don't understand how they can say that it's cruelty free with minks. Or maybe they don't anymore, I don't know, but they used to, and that was just such a wild thing to me. Sorry, rambling. Let's get to the next thing. So the next thing I have is the Il Masque Hydrating Setting Mist. This is $26. This is great. I do have dry skin. This is an old time, very big company. It used to be big in the, you know, not unboxing, makeup, YouTubers, big. It was big in the community of YouTubers back in the day, and now I see it's coming back, are the words I was trying to say. Sorry, guys. Tired. So this is it. It's very plain. It's a plastic bottle. Let's see how the mister is. Let's give her a chance. Let's give her a chance. Okay, the mister is nice, but the smell is not. It's got a very like chemical smell to it when it comes out. I don't know how I feel about that, but okay. I don't know. It smells weird. Did I tell you guys how much this is? I'm a mess. I'm sorry. This one's a hot mess. It is 26 doll hairs. And then I got something that I've already gotten before. So this is a liner, and it is a felt tip liner by Estate. It is a precision felt tip eyeliner. It is $12. Not a fan. Not a fan of this box whatsoever. From this, something I've already gotten before, to something that's in my, you know, profile that says I will not use, to something that I don't know if it's good for my skin or not. I'm gonna have to actually Google it, to the thing that I picked, which is give or take, you know what I mean? Is that it? Okay. And this setting spray, it just feels very much like this box was picked with the one thing you picked and then thrown together with everything that was left in the warehouse, and nothing that anybody be like super excited to get. So I'm just gonna throw that out there. I'm really kind of over it with Boxy. Like, I know I said I was gonna stop getting Boxy Premium a while ago, and I really felt that way, and they came in really strong with a great box when my box just wouldn't cancel, and I liked it, so I let it again come this month, so we'll see what that one has in store. But like BOXYCHARM altogether, I'm just kind of over. I don't know, like, part of me just wants to get you guys like stuff for me to unbox, like the Lunar Beauty box, and like other stuff that's out there. Or Look Fantastic has some stuff sometimes, like just other boxes maybe that are different than our regular BOXYCHARM and IPSY, and just kind of over it. I mean, my IPSY was good, I liked it, but it's nothing that I couldn't, like, I don't know, I feel like I could find for cheap on sale, put together, and maybe not for the same price. It's well worth its money, but I'm saying, like, not really super excited that, you know, the influencer, I didn't even speak her name when I did my box. No shade to her. She seems like a very beautiful, sweet girl. It's just that, like, I don't really know who she is, and she, I guess, made Item Beauty, but, like, is she really that big in the makeup space? Like, I would have rather seen a Manny MUA curated box. Laura Lee curated box, Allie Dawson curated box. That to me would have been more exciting than, I forgot the girl's name, sorry. Either which way, I'm ranting because they're both the same company, and you can very much tell that they're intertwined. Like, Boxy's not as good as it used to be, and they're not like bringing in the products that were as good as they used to be. And IPSY's products are good, but like they're still the same IPSY were not all that much, just so wowing, but I do feel like IPSY X is starting to be the best box out of all of them. I don't know, just my feelings. Yeah, let me know what you guys feel below. Sorry if this is a negative video. I never want to bring you guys negativity. Always good vibes, always light and love, and take a breath and come enjoy your time and de-stress with me. I'm sending you guys all so much light and love. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, because I believe this is going to go up on Valentine's Day. I love you all. Happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you're unpacking your emotions every day, taking care of yourself, giving yourself some time to breathe. Catch up with yourself, all right, guys? We're going to be back with makeup videos and self-love talks soon, all right? I love you all. Make sure you're loving you all. Happy Valentine's Day. See you on the next one.